Greetings! Here I am in lovely St. Augustine, Florida, enjoying myself and thinking about all my singer friends out there and students. My name is Ronnie Sarrett Letterman. My websites are vocalfocus.com and voice-movement.com. Do you have difficulty with high notes? I think everybody does, especially when they haven't taken lessons. And I'd like to demystify high notes for you a little bit today and talk about why they're difficult. They actually aren't difficult if you do them right, and that's a big concept. They should be the most ridiculously easy part of your voice. So if you can make a sound like this, like woo, and just kind of let them drop down in a lot of air, like woo, just let it go. That is where they live. They don't live in that high, tight place. So there's several reasons why high notes are hard. One of them is that you don't have a head voice developed. So that kind of sound that I just made is called head voice. Where I'm speaking is chest voice. It's just a different muscle group. So if you can start practicing your speaking voice, some very like goofy, think Three Stooges if you're a man, goofy like woo, kind of deep, low feeling to them that just come out in the easiest, most ridiculously easy place possible. That is your head voice. You want to develop that register more than anything else. And I did another video about the 4 registers that you can look at to describe the different registers in the voice. So one is that you don't have enough head register. So as you start to develop that, the larynx starts to move more and you will be able to start to feel that you have a head voice. The larynx shouldn't pop up and get tight in here for your head voice. It should feel kind of low and easy. And that's like really important. You never reach for a high note. So one of my tricks in doing that is to take a breath in a very relaxed, open, released throat. So you feel a lot of breath flow, a lot of softness. And you kind of feel like the breath, oh, it sort of lands here. That is where you sing from. You think of singing the high notes from here, not here. So you go like, oh, oh, and I just kind of bring my hand out, always keeping that low feeling on the high note. And that's like a nice little trick. Never think up. I can't say that enough. So that's one of the reasons why you would have trouble with a high note. The other one is you don't have enough breath flow. So that means your throat's not open. So to have enough breath flow, you just keep the air moving. Don't close the air or the space for your high notes. So, oh, just think of this big wind tunnel, and that should also help you with your high notes. Another thing is to add a feeling of sobbiness. Instead of a screechy yelliness, add oh. So practice speaking like, oh, poor puppy to your dog, or, oh, poor kitty to your cat, or that kind of a voice. And you will start to feel, oh, this sort of sobby, sympathetic, melodramatic feeling. We don't speak that way, and that's why high notes are hard. So, but we do scream, and screaming is not what you want to do on high notes. So I hope it helps. Send me some comments, and I will be back with more videos. Take care. Bye.